This side hustle pays $30 to $65 per yard. Here is how to start today. Walk wealthy neighborhoods Saturday p.m. when families are outside. Offer weekly poop removal. Charge $35 for small yards, $65 for multi-dog homes. Spend 15 minutes per yard. Target homes with visible dog toys or fenced yards. Offer weekly service and leave your number. Work weekends 8 hours and earn $1,120 to $2,080 monthly. Build 20 clients in 4 weeks. Start today with a $28 kit from Amazon. Focus on timing and visibility to get referrals. Be visible Saturday afternoon so neighbors ask for your number. Follow for more money tips.